strong candle. So these three are sign of a strong levels. So today class is about how to trade with SNR at the ranging market. So the ranging and trendy markets are different. So I will discuss about ranging market today, and we will discuss about trendy market in tomorrow class. Okay, so what is the ranging market? Let me show you an example. Okay, here, see this one. This is a ranging market. Why? Because it is not going in any direction. You can see in an uptrend, you can check here. In a trendy market, it is going in the direction. Okay, so it is going up, right? It is a uptrend, and you can see here it is going down, right? So it is a trendy market. The market have a trend, it is going down or up. But a ranging market, you can check here, this is a ranging market and it is going nowhere. It is moving in the middle of these two level. Okay, so it is moving in the middle of these two level. So we call this a ranging market. The market is moving in this range. So today we wanna discuss about how to trade with SNR at the ranging market. So the ranging market is like this. The market is moving in this range in between these two level. Okay, so let's discuss about it. Okay, these peaks are took from a ranging market. So this is a ranging market. Okay, so here you can see the levels here that are exist. This level, we are seeing this resistance level. So this is resistance. Why? Because we are seeing a seller's entry from this level. So it is a resistance level. Here we can see a level. It is a support level because you can see a buyer's entry. The market come to this level and it changed the direction. So it is a support level. And here also, here there is a level, a support level, because you can see a buyer's entry from this level. So on this market we are seeing these three levels. You can see here these three levels, and today we wanna talk how to trade with the SNR levels. We don't wanna predict the market, so we need to understand this. Okay, so you can see the levels. The next level that we are seeing, it is this resistance level. So there is a gap to the level, so we don't know what will happen. The market may fill the gap with a bullish candle, or in the past there might be any level or any trend line, so the market may reverse. We don't know about the past of this market. We just see this level here. So this level is here and there is a gap to the level, right? The candle closing point is here, so still there is a gap. So the market may fill the gap with a bullish candle, or it may reverse and go down. So we cannot trade here because we don't have any confirmation about buyers or sellers, so we don't know what will happen. So we need to wait and see how we'll close the next candle. Okay, so you can see there is a bearish candle. So now what is our level? You can see there is a resistance here, right? A trend line. We know it is SNR. Why it is a resistance? Because you can see a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. So with this 2 point, now the market reversed and now we have 2 point. So now we can draw a resistance, and If the market in future close at this level, we can use this level and go with the sellers. Okay, so now we have 2 point and we can use this trend line. Okay, so the candle closing point is here, so we need to check the level here. Okay, there is a support level, you can see still a gap, and here also there is a support, but it is very big gap. And here, if you observe here, we can draw a trend line, right? Let me draw clearly. If you draw a trend line from these two buyers entry point, so there is a trend line, right? It is a SNR level and it is a strong level. You can see very strong buyers from this level, and the market close at the level, at this support level. You can see here the market here we cannot trade because there is a gap, and here it closed at the level. You can see very strong buyers entered, and here also two strong bullish candle from this level. Now what we are seeing, the market closed exactly at the level and there is a rejection. Here you can see a rejection shows us the buyer's interest here. So the market came to this level and buyers push the market to go up. So it means at this trend line, some buyers are interested. We are seeing a rejection, a buyer's entry, and the candle closed at the level, exactly at the level. So we can trust this level and we can go with the buyers. Okay, so there is a bullish candle, but there is a point that you need to understand, and it is this point. You can see the opening point of this new candle. Okay, the opening point here, it's open here, right? This candle open here, and we cannot trust here and go with the buyers because we need to candle open above the level. If suppose the candle open here and it was like this, okay, if the candle open here, now we can go with the buyers, but you can see it is a gap here. The candle open with the gap below the level, so it open here, and now we cannot trust this level. We shouldn't trade here, higher or lower. We cannot, because now it may go up and it may go down because the opening price is below the level. So always remember this. If this candle open here, so we can go with the buyers like this, but it open below this level and we cannot trust here. With this opening price, we cannot trust this trade, so we should leave this trade and we shouldn't trade here after seeing this opening price. Okay, so here you can see now we have a bullish candle, right? And we don't want to predict the market, we just want to trade with the SNR. So there is a level, you can see there is a big gap still, and we cannot see any level here, only this resistance level we are seeing. So only this level, and there is a big gap here, so we don't know. We need to wait to market move and give us the opportunity. Okay, so here you can see the candle made a bullish candle, so we have a resistance level here and also we have a level here. You can see it broke this trend line, and if you draw clearly here, okay, if you draw clearly here, you can see still there is a small gap. So the market can make a candle like this, a green candle like this here, because of this small gap, the market may fill the gaps. So we need the candle close exactly at the level. So here also we cannot decide, because you can see it may go down and because of this level, and it may fill the gap. So we need to wait also here. Okay, now here you can see there is a breakout of this level. You can see it broke this level very strongly, and we just wanna trade with the SNL levels. So here also it broke this level, and there is still a gap to this level, this above resistance level. So in trading you need wait. Okay, so here if the market close above the trend line, we could go with the buyers because of this level, but it opened below, so we need to wait. Here we don't know the levels. We have a level here and there is a big gap, so we need to wait. And here you can see it broke this level, so also we need to wait. And here it broke this level, so we need to wait. We don't jump at any trade, we will wait. Here you can see we wait 3 minutes here. Okay, so next candle. Okay, now you can see with waiting you will get clear shot, clear opportunities. And here you can see it is a very good opportunity. The market closed exactly at the level. You can check here, and we already see a strong rejection from the sellers. Here you can see this strong rejection shows us the sellers are interested at this area. And as I told you, it is a ranging market, right? It is a ranging market, so we can trust this level. Already we are seeing very strong sellers from this level, so here we can go with the sellers confidently because there is a level. The candle close at the level, there is a rejection, so we can place a lower option here. And you can see a very strong sellers candle at the market. Okay, so what about now? As you can see here, the market made a level, right? This one, you can see very strong buyers from this level, a sign that the level is strong, right? And also if you look the past, there is a bullish momentum, and if you have a momentum, you cannot trust to the single candle. So the market, at least for 1 minute, can make a retracement candle. So when we have a momentum, if you see a single candle, the market can make again a retracement candle. Then if the retracement candle was weak, it may continue, so you should observe this also. And here also you can see there is a level, so we are trading with SNR, so there is a SNR level. You can see very strong buyers from this level. The market closed at this level and we are seeing very strong buyers, so this is a SNR level. And here you can see the market closed exactly at the level. There is a rejection. The rejection shows us the buyer's interest, so we already see the level starts a momentum, so it is a sign of a strong level. And the market closed exactly at the level, and there is a rejection from the buyers, so these are the signs that the buyers are interested and we can trust this level. So we can go with the buyers here confidently because we have so many confirmation, so we can place a higher option. And you can see there is a bullish candle. Okay, so what about next candle? We know there is a level here, right? We already draw and we talk about this, that we can use this level to the future. So now the market is at the level. You can see there is a level here, and now the market is at the level, a weak candle, a weak bullish candle at the resistance level. So you can see the seller's entry here, so it means this level is working. So we can trade here a lower option. Already we are seeing a strong sellers, and this is a weak candle at the level. Okay, but that point that I told you, you can see here the candle open above the level, so we should leave these trades. Okay, so you should not trade at these opportunities. You should leave it. The market may go up, or the market may reverse and go down. So when the candle open and you see this opening price, so you just leave this trade. If the candle open here, then we can go with the sellers. It may go down because of these sellers, but it open here, so we don't have any opportunity here, and we should leave this trade here. Okay, so we leave this trade. Okay, so now you can see it closed as a bullish candle. So what will be the next candle? Okay, let me check the levels here. Okay, you can see there is a seller's entry here, and okay, here you can see there is a buyers, and there is a buyer's entry, so it is a support level, right? But we don't know the sellers enter from this level or not. So here you can see the market close at the level with a strong rejection, but we don't know about this level, that the sellers enter from this level before or not. We just see the buyer's entry, right? We just see the buyer's entry, so we don't know it is a complete SNR or not, it is enter the sellers or not. So we just see the buyer's entries from this level, and the candle is at the level, so we cannot decide that go with the buyers or sellers because we don't know about this level. There is a level, so we cannot go with the buyers directly, and we don't know about the strongness of the level. We cannot see any sellers in the past, so we don't know, and we need to wait for the next candle. Okay, you can see a seller's entry. Okay, what about now? Okay, you can see again this level. As I told you, the levels are area, and you can see the candle close between these two line, so it is at the level, and you can see very strong rejection from the buyers. So the level is very strong because we already know, you can see it start the momentum. Again the seller tried, again you can see the buyers enter, and again now the market is at the level, and it is a ranging market, right? It is a ranging market, so we can trust the level. when the market close at the level, we can go for a reversal. So this candle close at the level, and you can see there is a very strong rejection from the buyers. So it shows us the buyers are interested at this level, and the level is very strong. This is a ranging market, so we can place a higher option confidently here, and you can see it is a bullish candle. Okay, so what about the next candle? Let me draw the levels first. Okay, there is a seller's level here. Also there is a seller's level because you can see the seller's entries here. Okay, so there is no level. You can see it have a gap, and we are trading with the SNR, right? We don't know, the market may fill this gap or it may reverse here, so we need to wait for a confirmation that the market close at a level, then we can go with the sellers. But there is a gap to the levels, so we cannot open any trade. We need to wait for the next candle. Okay, the next candle, you can see this is a strong bullish candle, but again you can see this candle close exactly at the resistance level. You can see here it reversed the market, very strong sellers enter at the market. Again the market close at the level, and you can see again very strong sellers from this level, and here again you can see the market close at the level. Again there is a rejection here from the sellers, this rejection. So the rejection shows us the sellers are interested at this level, and we check this level, it is working, it is a good level, and the market is ranging. So we can trust this level again because the market close at the level, and we can go with the sellers confidently here. And you can see again a seller's entry. Okay, so from this level you can see again the sellers enter. So now again we are seeing a seller's candle, a bearish candle. So we need to check the level again. Okay, so let me draw the levels. Okay, here there is a level. Okay, and here also. Okay, this level. Okay, let me draw clear. You can see this one, the market close at the level, there is a buyer's entry. Again it closed at the level, there is a buyer's entry, and now again the market is at the level, there is a rejection. You can see this level, this trend line here, it is working. You can see the buyer's entry from this level, and again the market is at the level with a rejection. So again we can trust this level, and we can go with the buyers here. And you can see this is a bullish candle. So you can see with waiting and with the help of a strong SNR, you can easily win your trades. You don't need to trade at any candle, at every candle. So you need to wait, and no one can predict every candle. So always wait for a right opportunity. Here you can see, let me show you. Here we start from here. Here the market open below the level, so we wait. Here we wait here, and here we place our first trade here. So it is one trade here. Again here we place a trade, two trade. Okay, here we wait. Here again we place another trade, 3 trade. Here we place another trade, 4 trade, and here we place another trade, 5 trades. So we placed 5 trade, and all the trades are winning trade, and you don't need more than 5 trade to reach your daily target, right? The 5 trade is enough to make good profit. So don't place your trade everywhere when you have doubt. Only place the short trades that I show you here, and you can see you can win easily here if you start the trading here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can see in 9 minutes you can take 5 right trade, and you can reach your daily target only in 9 min. So why you open the chart and you wanna trade every candle? You just need just 1 or 2 minute wait, and you will get a clear opportunity, a good shot, and you will win. Okay, so please don't think like this, that I must predict every candle here. So it is not possible. No one in this world cannot predict every candle. Okay, so just wait for 1 2 3 min. No need to wait for 1 hour or one day to get a good opportunity. The market will give you good opportunities. You just need wait for them. Then you can be in profit, and you can win your trade easily and surely. Okay, so let me show you more example, because with the example you can understand very well and you can learn. Okay, so here what we have here, let's check together. There is a buyer's entry, right? We can see some buyer's entry here, and we are seeing some seller's entry here. Okay, you can see a seller's entry here. Okay, so the buyers are here, and the sellers are here. So you can see a bearish candle here. It is still at the seller's area, and there is a gap to the buyer's area. So we don't know what will happen. We need to wait and see the market behavior, see the candles, and then we can decide to go with the buyers or sellers. Okay, here you can see again the market made a bearish candle. So this is our support level, and this is also. So you can see these are the buyers area. So these are the buyers area, and there is still a big gap. We don't know. The market may fill the gap, or the market may reverse. So it is better to don't risk your money and wait for a confirmation, wait for a SNL level that help you to be sure about your trades. So it is better to leave this trade and wait for the next candle to see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, again a weak candle. So let me draw trend line here. Okay, still not sure here, so we need to wait. Okay, now you can see a strong seller's enter, and here if you observe, this seller's candle broke this support level. So I will discuss about fake breakout also in the future classes, so no need to worry, but just know the 70% the 70% of the breakouts are fake, and after the breakout the market will reverse. Okay, but here we just want to trade with the SNR. We don't want to predict the market, so we need to wait still. But you can see the breakout was fake and the market reversed back again. Okay, so we need to wait to market give us a confirmation, then we can place our trade. Okay, still. Okay, let me check. Okay, there is no opportunity here, and the sellers are here, right? We already know this point. The sellers are here, so you can see it is still in the middle of the trend, so we don't know what will happen, so we need to wait. Okay, here let me draw. Okay, now you can see the market come to our level. You can see there is a closing point of the candle at the level, and we can see the level is strong. You can see these sellers from this level, and it reversed the market again and again here. So it is working, and now the market close at the level. The closing point is at the level, so there is a chance that the sellers enter from this level, and we can go with the sellers here. And you can see it is a bearish candle here. Okay, so let's check again the levels. There is a support level. Okay, there is a support level here, and there is a resistance that we already know. Okay, again this closing point, you can see there is a gap still to the support level. It is in the middle of this two level, so again we don't know. The market may continue or it may reverse, so we don't want to predict. We just want to trade with the levels, so we need to wait. Okay, again you can see there is a bearish candle, but now as you can see the market close at the level, so there is a level. You can see a buyer's entry here. Again you can see the market close at this support level. There is a rejection from the buyers, so there is a rejection from the buyers, and it means the buyers are interested, and you can see the buyers are respecting this level. After this breakout, you can see very strong buyers enter, so it means the level is strong and the buyers are respecting this level, so we should respect. And you can see the market close at the level. It is close exactly at the level with a rejection, and it is also a weak candle here, so we can go with the buyers confidently here, so we can place a higher option. Okay, and you can see it close as a bullish candle here. Okay, so here you can see we have a bullish candle here because of this level. The market close at the level, it reject, and you can see a buyer's candle. Okay, so what about now? You can see the market close here, but we don't have any level here. Okay, no, we don't have any level. You can see there is a big gap still, so we don't have any level here, and we need to wait to market move. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see a bullish candle again. Okay, let me check this trend line. Still there is a gap, so Still here you can see there is a gap, and the market have a strong buying pressure here. So we need to wait again because we don't want to predict the market. We just want to trade with the SNR, right? So we need to wait to market close at a level, then we can decide to go. Okay, now you can see I think it is at the level. Okay, yes, now you can see this is a trend line, right? This is a SNR, a strong sellers from this level. Again the market tried, but again the sellers enter at the market, and now you can see it is at the level. There is a rejection from the sellers, right? So the sellers are interested here. The candle is at the level and it is weak. You can see the bars step by step are getting weak and weaker, so they are losing their power. Here you can see it is visible by observing this three candle. So they are losing their power. The candle closed at the SNL level, at the trend line, and there is a rejection. The rejection means that the sellers are interested and they may enter at the market. So we can go with the sellers from this level confidently because it is at the SNL level, and we already know there is a strong sellers are at this level. So you can see there is a bearish candle. Okay, so let's check the support level. Okay, this one, you can see the market is at the level, and also I think here, yes, here also. So we have two SNL level here. One, it is this level, this horizontal level, and second, this trend line here. You can see from this level we are seeing some buyers entry, and from this trend line you can see very strong buyers, again very strong buyers, and it closed at these two levels. So it means the buyers will enter surely from this level, because we already see two confirmation, one this level, again this level, and the market is at these two level. There is a rejection. You can see a rejection from the buyers, so it means the buyers will enter into the market, and the levels are very strong, two level here. So we can go with the buyers surely here, and you can see very strong buyers candle. Why? Because it was a short, right? It was a short shot for the buyers. They have this level and they have this level, and this rejection also. So the buyers enter very strongly here. You can see this strongness of the buyers from this level. Okay, so now let's check the level again, this level. Okay, so the buyers broke this level here, and the next sellers are here. So there is a small gap. The market can make a small candle like this here, a bullish candle, or it may reverse also. So there is no confirmation. We are not sure. The market didn't close at the level, so we need to wait again here. Okay, so now you can see here the market close at a round number. Here you can see this one. This is a round number. We talk about it, the horizontal level, the trend line, and the round number. These are the SNR. but as I told you, we need to check the round number. So if we check this one, we can see there is a seller's entry from this level. You can see this market touched this round number here, and a very strong sellers came to the market from this round number. So it is working. We need to check more, but we don't have any past, so it is enough. You can see very strong sellers, and also this whole area is a level, and it is also a round number. There is a rejection from the sellers, so we can be sure that the sellers will enter here. So we can go with the sellers here confidently, and you can see they enter at the market very strongly and confidently. Okay, so like this you can take your trades with SNR in ranging market. It is different in trendy market, and I will show you on the next class. So this was how to trade with SNR at ranging market. And as I told you, you don't need to trade every candle. Wait for a right opportunity, and then you can get a very good result. And just 4-5 trades is enough to fulfill your daily target. You don't need 100 trades in the day. It is wrong. It is better to take less trades and be more focused on your trades and know what are you doing, right? Okay, so this was about this topic. I hope you understand the points, and please practice. The practice is very key point on trading.